Yes, hi, hello Bill. This is A with Triple J Digital Marketing. So we were chatting back and forth on Messenger, and as promised, here's your website audit video. So I'm going to be showing you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business, and they don't know how to use the internet to benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation is that they have is to hiring someone, and they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. So by the end of this video, you've liked what you heard and seen the things I can help you with, shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan for yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So I see here that you don't have a current website. You only have a Facebook page. I'm assuming if you do have a website, I can't find it anywhere online. So I'm going to be going over a closest competitor in Corona. Now, when we talk about Google, content, we talk about how Google loves content and websites. And currently, these closest competitors to you would be they only have 136 words on their website, on their homepage. Now, again, like I said, Google loves content, and these guys have a low amount of content on their websites. Now, when we talk about this, we want to make sure that we add more content to the website, to the homepage, in order to look like an expert in Google's eyes. So you want to beat out your competitors. And now if they have 1,000 words, then we want to apply 1,500 and more, and so on. Now, when somebody searches a certain search phrase, in this case would be carpet cleaning in Corona, which is, I'm guessing that's where you're based on. Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Now, Ahrefs here is a paid program that I use to research websites, and Google is looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. And if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your site, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. Now, taking a look at the keywords that your competitor is using at the moment, is usually here carpet cleaning Corona, California. These are attracting low volume, but they're easily able to be applied to your homepage when you acquire a website for yourself. And now, when we're looking at these, we got to make sure that we are applying these correct keywords, and they have to be relevant to your industry as well. You cannot just put any random keyword in order to start ranking on that, because it's not going to be relevant to your business. Now, the second thing I want to cover is another important aspect to Google: backlinks and UR/NDR ratings. Now, again, your competitor here, this program shows me what we're up against. The UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. The DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. So an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here. These guys don't have any backlinks. Basically, a backlink is a shout out or an endorsement from another website. Now, with this program, we can actually see what the other competitors have on their website, any backlinks, and we just copy and paste. It's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites work best. Now, moving on to the next visible section, we're looking at is citations. Now, what I'm showing here is the local map pack around Corona, and I went ahead and did a Google search, the search phrase being carpet cleaning Corona, California. Now, these top three here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and are listed right away. Some things that you can do to be here on this site is have a Google Business Profile or GBP, fill out as much as possible, name, number, hours, and photos, etc. And 3, put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. These are called citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as your per Google Business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important to attract huge amounts of revenue with more traffic. Citations are included in various directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureaus, and 100 of others that you may have heard of. Now, social media accounts are great as well. The idea is to get your site to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above the competition. Now, the websites here are called organics. You also want to be listed in the top 3, so the most amount of people will find you. And this is where I found the closest competitor that is shown on the top 3. Now, in closing, it looks like if you were to add more content when you get your website and add the keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot of calls and you will start to outgrow your competitors online as well. I'm not sure what your margins are at the moment, but I do imagine that this will generate some decent revenue with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful, and I greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts and your questions. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, just feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this really helps. Have a great day.